Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to be talking about brakes because it's pretty important and mine are running out, and I'll tell you how I found that out. First off, we got the AKEBONOs here, pretty good brand. So essentially I feel like the brakes are feeling a lot more spongy. We're seeing that it's making some weird noises on and off when I'm on the brakes at low speeds, only when the car starts, which is pretty interesting. So I'm hoping it's just this, but we're about to take off the wheel, remove the brake pads, and take a look at how thin they are. It's pretty much a good warning, but if you avoid that by turning the music up like I usually do, that may actually mess up your rotors and you actually lose more money by trying to avoid stuff. Alright, so what I like to go ahead and do on my brake calipers is I like to just remove one bolt, 14 on the back for the Z. I just flip it open, nice and easy, not to zip tie nothing, worry about it breaking the line or anything. So just like that, and then you kind of just grab right here. You can take out the brake pad. This one doesn't look too bad when I compare it to, well, these are the rears. They don't look too different. I say it's about half-life, which is still pretty good. So, see that? About half-life right there. We are chilling. I do not want to replace them quite yet. The fronts are good. We're gonna check the rears now. I think more than 50% of your braking is your front tire. This is pretty much done right here. I don't even see the brake pad anymore. Jeez. There's this. Oh yeah. What the hell happened here? This was hitting metal. Ah, that's what it was. So when it got hot, after riding it for a little bit, it didn't make that noise. But look at the difference. This is pretty wild. So this is the front side compared to the back side. Shoo, there's literally nothing on this one. So if you can tell, this is the exact same one. One is broken right here. This one is what it's supposed to look like, and essentially this is supposed to tell you when the brake is ready to change. And this one, well, let's say someone ignored the signs. So this one's a little pin, goes on the back. Goes, and then the one with that's naked or naked, whatever, goes in the front. Looks pretty good. All right, to push this back in, we're gonna go ahead and lift this up, put the little brake pad right here. Alright, so last step is just to kind of push this forward so it clears, and there we go. Put the bolt back in. Make sure to torque at the right spec, so